Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to use VLOOKUP in multiple columns at one time by giving formula in just one cell. So here you can see that I have a sheet in which I have the headings name, then amount for the month January, February, March and the total in this column. Now at the bottom I have created a drop down. From the drop-down, I can select any of the names listed on the top. And the moment I select the name, I get the corresponding results for January, February, March, and including total. Remember, I have given the formula only in one cell. However, I am getting the VLOOKUP result in all other cells, even though there is no VLOOKUP formula in the others. So let us see how to use this VLOOKUP function. So in order to do that, we click on the cell in which we want the formula to come, and then we begin by typing equal to VLOOKUP. Then we give open parenthesis and we specify the value to look up. Then we give comma. Then we give the table in which it has to search for that value. After that, it is asking us the column array number. So over here, I give the curly brackets and I type second column, comma, third column, comma, fourth column, comma, fifth column. I close the curly brackets, then I give a comma and I give 0 for an exact match, and I close the parenthesis and I hit enter. So you can see, although I have given the formula in only one cell, I get the results in all the neighboring cells as well. You can try by changing this name. So let me change it to the last name. So you can see when I am selected Alicia, I can get all her corresponding values in the neighboring cells. So hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.